friends! Welcome back to DooDee's Art World! So glad that you're joining me today! Quick question! What has a giant fluffy tail, loves acorns, and goes totally nuts for climbing trees? Squirrel! That's what we're going to draw today! Yeah! Grab your paper and let's get naughty!
Alright, are you ready? Yeah? Let's go! So we're going to start by making the fuzzy hair, okay? Watch this. So one goes up, one goes straight, one goes down. Yeah? Alright, now let's add the ear. Good job! Now let's add the side of the head. Well done! Now it's time to add the chubby cheek. It's going to be fuzzy as well. Watch this. Got it? Okay. Now let's do it to the other side, okay? And the chubby cheek. Don't forget the ear. Alright, I think we can now add the eyes. Let's draw 2 circles as the eyes. And I'm gonna add 2 smaller circles inside the eye as the highlights. I'm going to color that in. Alright, now let's add the nose and the mouth. We're going to draw an oval. And the mouth. Wow, it's looking really good. So now it's time to draw the acorn and the hands that's holding the acorn. So let's start by the top of the acorn, okay? Let's add the stem. Now let's make another curve here. So we're going to draw the hands with 3 fingers, okay? Watch this. Got it? Well done! And now the other hand, okay? We're going to start with the fingers. Alright! Now let's finish off the acorn, okay? Let's draw the back body of the squirrel now. We're going to make a long line like this. Got it? Alright, and now we're going to make a curve underneath the hand over here, okay? Alright, now it's time to draw the foot. Watch this. Looking good. Now let's add some toes by making some lines, okay, on the foot. Cool. Now we can draw the rest of the body, okay? We're going to make a curve like this. Alright, now we're going to add some more lines, okay, to finish off the body, okay? Watch this. Alright, well done everyone. And now we're going to draw the other leg, okay? Let's make a curve over here. And now it's time for the foot, okay? Our squirrel is missing a tail. Let's draw a big fuzzy tail. So I'm going to make a fuzzy line over here, okay? Your turn. I think I'm just going to extend it a little bit. Alright, that's looking really good. And now it's time to make another curvy lines, okay, to finish off this tail. Watch this. So I added some fuzzy lines over here, okay? Alright, I think our squirrel is done. And all that's left to do is just to color it. Yeah, let's do that. Wow, we went nutty for that one, didn't we? It looks so cute. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you had fun. Remember, if your drawing doesn't look like mine, that's okay. I'm sure it still looks awesome. Anyway, I hope you all have a nice day. Don't forget to like and subscribe so that we can draw again together. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye!